Foiling is the elegance that you see in a gold embossed wedding invitation card. The more stylish the print, the more advanced the machine that was used to create it. This is why most crafters like to opt for a foil machine that's perfect for their specific use. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best foil machine for crafters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pneumatic Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The design and build quality of this pneumatic hot foil stamping machine is simply leagues ahead of the other hot foil stamping machines out there. It feels like a professional piece of kit, and one that seems like it's actually been designed in a way which makes sense, rather than in a way that just cuts costs for the manufacturer. Positive side of this product. Being able to complete a hot foil stamp in under 3 seconds. Designed with a double column setup so you can stamp pretty much any area of a portfolio or larger item. Higher stamping pressure than the manual type of machines out there. Simple and easy to operate. Turn the hand wheel to lift or fold the machine body. Improved long mounting holes. Easy to install brass molds. Excellent stamping effect. The stamping pressure is bigger than manual type, and stamping time is controlled by the time set. With counting and clearing function, display of set temperature and real temperature. Big working table with scale help for accurate positioning. Number 2. Mink Foil Application Machine Starter Kit. The crusader of art and crafts, the Mink makes foil application a lot easier. Gone are the days when you had to take good care of your projects and apply a foil emboss cautiously. With Mink, half of your worries are gone. It is a crowd favorite in the US and elsewhere for several reasons. Equipped with 4 pressure rollers for even foiling, 6 heat settings for different materials, and the ability to work in reverse motor action, it is the best gold foil machine we have ever reviewed. It is also simple to use, with swap claiming that 3 steps: choose a project, choose a foil, and run are enough to finish a project. We can attest to that claim because we rigorously tested this Mink foil machine for hours, and we found it to be one of the best. Every time you work on it, you will fall in love with it. It's powerful, reliable, and just plain able to carry any craft project you throw at it. Positive side of this product. Comes with complimentary gold sheet, transfer folder, and 3 tags. 6 different heat settings allow you to manage the foiling temperature. Can foil letters and graphics. 4 heat rollers for uniform foiling lamination. Paper size of up to 13 inches can be foiled. Number 3. Weaver Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The Weaver Digital Hot Foil Stamping Machine looks like a medical contraption. But that's only because it works slightly differently, giving you more control over its operation. This is done through the non-slip handle, temperature control panel, and an anti-slip paper holder. All of these give you a lot more control over the embossing activity, so that you get to print the way you want and where you want. There is also a scale in the hot press area, size 3.94 x 5.12 inches, that works well if you are particular about dimensions. For instance, it is very handy if you want the design to be embossed at a specific length from the edge of a paper. Another highlight is its ability to foil on different types of materials than what we saw in the above models. Positive side of this product. LCD panel for temperature visibility. Water and dust proof. Can emboss on a variety of materials like wood, leather, and plastic. Number 4. Gemini Foil Press Heat Press Crafting Foiling Machine. This foil press machine uses the hot press technique, which is the same as the one we saw in the Spellbinders model. The work area is a tad broader here. You get a space of 7 x 5 inches to work on your die cuts, greeting cards, and virtually anything that would fit. We also like that it has a straightforward process, making it usable both by beginners and advanced professionals. Positive side of this product. Easy operation. Wide hot press area. Number 5. Hot Foil Stamping Machine 10 x 13 cm. A hot foil stamping machine complete with a digital display and a generous amount of space for stamping work. This is the updated model with 4 high elasticity balance springs to keep the pressure applied evenly. That evened out pressure means this machine produces higher quality and more durable hot foil stamps than ever before. Positive side of this product. Has a generous amount of space for stamping work. Uses a digital display for operation. Designed with balance adjustment springs to get a more uniform stamping action. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.